Hey guys, let me show you this really cool feature with electrical park and brake, okay? So first step is get in the vehicle, have your key fob with you, turn it on. There we go. Now you probably notice as you're driving around, you turn off the car, maybe your electrical park and brake automatically engages. So when you get in here, your park and brake is automatically on. Or maybe it's not and you want it to, or maybe you want to deactivate that. Let me show you all the steps that you need to do, okay? So right now it's automatically on. Let's turn it off. First step is make sure your foot's not on the brake. Done. Second step is make sure the park and brake is engaged. Okay. Next step is click and hold. Wait for a beep. Let go. Press and hold again. One big beep. That means it's been deactivated. Okay. So now when I turn off the vehicle, we'll automatically leave it alone. It will not engage. Now, from there, I can simply turn it off. I get somewhere, turn off the vehicle. That electrical park and brake will not engage as soon as you turn off the vehicle. Now, let's say if you want it to engage again, right? Automatically, every time you turn off the vehicle, let's repeat the process. First step, foot not on the brake. Check. Make sure the park and brake is engaged. There we go. It shows it right up there. Next step, click and hold up. It's beeping, let go, pull back up. 2 beeps. Activated. Done and easy. That quick and easy, guys. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Bye-bye.